What's up my friends, welcome back. Today I am going to unbox 60 watt temperature controlled soldering iron. I prefer this was the best soldering iron for electronic hobbyists. So let's open the box and see what are the components in the box. 5 pieces extra tips for various purposes. That's really good. Okay, let's see the soldering iron. The cable cord was just really good quality. And the grip, it's really comfortable to hold. The insulating grip was attached with the soldering iron. Here the advantages of this soldering iron was we can control the temperature for various purposes, and this temperature controlling system was ideal for small electronic components. Can change the soldering iron tip, each tip for various purposes while doing soldering, and useful for different electronic circuits. Be careful while changing the tips because heating element was easily breakable. I will show how it's work in future, so please wait for that video. I was bought some electronic components for my upcoming projects, so let's unbox it. This is the caster wheel using at front of the robots. .3 microfarad capacitor for induction heater. This is the Zener diode. I bought 4 pieces of 7 segment display. NTC. Few NPN transistors, bipolar transistor, and few MOSFETs for inverter circuits, and most preferable 555 timer IC, and CD4047 IC, and also 4026 driver IC for 7 segment display, and IC bases. Okay guys, it is a small unboxing video. If you like this video, please subscribe and press the bell notification. Until then, bye bye from Do It Creative. See you soon.